In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these WASSCE and WAEC chemistry problems under kinetic theory of matter. So we have 6 repeated questions practiced with in this video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following statements is not postulates of kinetic theory of gases? So we have molecules move with the same speed. Collision between molecules is elastic. Molecules are in a state of constant random motion. Intermolecular forces are negligible. So the right option is option A. This is not a postulate. Molecules move with the same speed. Alright, so the next question will be this one. It says the phenomenon observed when dust particles collide randomly in a beam of sunlight is known as. So the right option is option B, which is Brownian movement. Okay, so the next question will be this one. It says which of the following properties does not give evidence of kinetic theory of matter? So we have melting, diffusion, evaporation, polymerization. So the right option is option A, polymerization. Next question will be this one. It says which of the following laws or theory cannot be explained by application of kinetic theory of gases? So we have Boyle's law, we have Gay-Lussac's law, we have Dalton's atomic theory, we have Charles' law. So the exception here that cannot be explained is option C, Dalton's atomic theory. Next repeated question will be this one. It says which of the following statement is true of the molecules of a gas under ideal conditions? The molecules move at random, attract each other, undergo inelastic collision, occupy a large volume. So the right option is option A, they move at random. Okay, the last question before I end this video will be this one. It says particles in a solid exhibit random and translational motion, vibrational and random motion, vibrational motion only, vibrational and translational motion. So the right option is option C, vibrational motion only. So guys, this is basically can do problems involving kinetic theory of matter for WASSCE chemistry practice with 6 repeated questions for this topic. Hope you learned something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video to tell me how you feel for what I learned from this video. If you seem to have any specific questions asked regarding what I've talked about in this video, feel free to leave your question at the comment section below and I'll be sure to give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button, where you'll be getting premium information and help you to excel in your external exams like WASSCE and other external exams you'll be writing. Alright, so having done this, click on the screen above and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.